Hi guys, how are you? Happy Valentine's Day, my loves, my lovelies. So, how are you? How's Valentine's Day? Yesterday's video was like a cute little tutorial. Today's tutorial is like gonna be some kind of like fun. You can actually go out with this look if you want to, because I've been enjoying a lot of stuff and I really want to, how do I say this? I want to show the world, and I want to be like, not just do regular looks. I want to do some things that are like more creative, because that is what I like about makeup, you know. It's about being creative and how different you can be and how much you can show your talent. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying? If you don't, then that's fine, because I don't either. Anyway, long story short, so I'm gonna create a look. So you know, as always, I'm gonna do my face and then go do the whole thing together. First, I'm gonna prime my face, and yes, you heard that correct. I'm gonna prime my face. I actually stole, well, not stole, I actually called her and I said I want to use that. This is a color correcting liquid primer from NYX. This is my sister-in-law's primer. She uses this, and I think I actually told her to use that. I don't know why, don't ask. I'm gonna use it for my whole face because I have been noticing that my pores are getting larger, and it's like, do you know the movie The Ring? Where Samara gets out of that, what do you call that? Well, yeah, I feel like my pores are literally like well, and they're annoying me, and just I want to like, do you know what I mean? So I am gonna prime my face. So not just prep it with a Fix Plus. I think I need a primer. I found the Guerlain primer, the one that has gold bits in it, the one that I have been hearing mostly Tati talk about and use it, and I've seen a lot of actually others use it too. It smells beautiful and luxurious, and I want that on my face because this face ain't luxurious enough. Okay, I don't know if I'm actually noticing any difference, but anyway, we'll continue. And I just want to say that in my videos, you might hear the sound of my AC. I really am sorry about that, but like the weather here is so hot and I can't open a fan, I can't do anything. So I'm not willing to die while filming. So please, I'm trying my best here, and I love it when we break up. Do I want to use that or the Dior one? Let me use the Dior one. For foundation, I'm going in with my Dior Backstage foundation. I've always had a problem, like, especially with foundation. I really don't like getting foundation on my neck. It's just like a pet peeve, I don't know why. And my sisters-in-law like always tell me that, you know, you have to use foundation all the way to your neck. You know, your face is like white or pale or whatever, but like your neck isn't the same shade. Actually, have always had this problem. Then I don't like it, and if I don't like it, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm sorry. But you do whatever you are comfortable with, whatever you think is right and best for you and your skin. Okay, I think this primer is actually good. Ooh. And for concealer, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer because it is my fave. What the heck is going on here? And I'm in the shade 210. Wow, I forgot that little bit goes a long way. Your girl is working. Let me see you work. Okay, so remember last time when I told you that my husband went to Thailand and I told him that I wanted a bunch of stuff from Sephora. Anyway, I ordered the Hourglass transluting setting powder, the Veil, I think it's Veil, I don't know what you call it, because I heard Jaclyn Hill talk about it and like I loved it so much, so I ordered it. And you know how your girl is like so clever. I actually got the smaller version. Yeah, this is a face powder and it is literally this big. This would last me like in a second. I could use this right now and finish it. I don't. Anyway, there she is. She's all bougie. This is the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. I'm gonna use that under the eyes as she does. So cute, so cute. Whoops. I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge. Ooh, I think this is good. I might actually use the same powder for my whole face because I really like it. It's really smooth and it smoothes up. Smoothes? I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
I am loving this powder. It has brightened under my eyes, if you can see it. It smooths it out. And also I want to say about the primer that I use, I think it did a great job. I'm not really that familiar with primers. I don't use that a lot, and it's wrong. And also for the under eye, I'm gonna go in my Hourglass Ambient Dim Light. This is actually the size that I ordered, knowing that it is this much small, because I wouldn't be using like a lot just under the eye to brighten it. I would love to try out more. Oh, there's like this new, there's the new Hourglass foundation out, and I really want to try it so bad. And now I am warming up the face with my favorite Hoola bronzer and my favorite current brush. This is from Morphe. I don't know, this does not have a name. Just to contour a little bit. And contour the nose a little bit. Blend it more, you girl. Okay, and as usual, I'm gonna do one eye, my brows, and then come back to continue and show you the look so we can go with it step by step. Okay, see you later. First eye is done. Let me show you exactly what I do. Hold on a sec. There she is. Can you see the heart? Can you see the liner? Can you see the upper glitter liner? So when you wink, you have this heart. But for this eye, I'm gonna put it a little bit like up, because I have hooded eyes and it doesn't really show, but that's fine. So let's get started. Now I am using my favorite at the moment, which is the Morphe James Charles palette, white shade, and I'm just gonna put it right under the brow bone. I'm using a Morphe brush, which is this one right here. Okay, I wanna ask you a question. Let's be serious. Would you break up with your boyfriend or girlfriend for Ariana? No, that's the question. Let me know your answers. Okay, let's dip in. First shade, as I said, we're going in Canvas, and this will go right under here. We're gonna put your girlfriend, yeah, cause I'm bored. We can hit it in the wind, like it's yours. I'm gonna take this type of brush right here. It's kind of like, it's an oval shape, a smaller oval shape, and it is flat on both sides. Pack on the shade on the lid. With this brush, I'm gonna dip in two shades, which are Boutique and You're Kidding, and I'm just gonna mix them together, and I'm just gonna pop it right in my lids. Okie dokie. Now mind you, don't worry, I just powdered burgundy, nice burgundy shade, and blend it, and you will see how it will turn out. My eyes are wrinkly as well, and I'm kind of like sad. Am I getting old? It's fine. Anyway, I'm going in like with a normal blending brush, and I'm dipping in the shade You're Kidding, which is just a cute red, and I'm blending it up towards my brow bone and on the sticker right here, because we want that heart stamp. And you can use this with any shape. So I just blended the upper part with the shade You're Kidding, and I'm just gonna go again with the shades Boutique. Make it a little bit more darker on the lids, and also try and blend that out. Smaller blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend things together. Okay, and now for the liner. And I'm gonna do like a thick liner, just like that. Okay, now for the sparkly liner, I'm gonna use my Stila. This is like glitter shadows. This is in the shade Smoky Storm liner brush right here. It's not the best, but it does the work. So I'm gonna pop that right on the back of my hand and go on the upper part of black liner. I'm gonna go with that. And I am just using like a brownish shadow to blend in the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna put a black liner and just blending it together with the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade You're Kidding and blending it out. Now off camera, I'm gonna do my lashes, put on mascara, and I'll be right back to do the rest of the face. Okay, now lashes and mascara and everything is on. I just have to take off this sticker And there we go. I like this one better because this one I have hooded eyes, so it doesn't really show the shape well, but you can do whatever you want. Now let me zoom you out so we put blush and highlight into our lips. Okay, so I forgot to do this, but this is what actually Rokio does a lot in her looks, but she uses stars. Yeah, stars. I'm gonna pop this sticker again right here for the inner corner, and I'm gonna apply highlighter, so we'll have a highlighted heart inner corner. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter for the inner corner. I'm so excited!
Yes, sister.
Okay, so I did the inner corners as I said. I don't know if you can see it, right? So cute. And also here. Okay, but that's not like, it doesn't really show that much, but that's fine. Now let's put on blush, and I want to do like a technique I got to know from Kaya. I believe her name is Kaya. She said instead of using highlighter on your Cupid's bow and tip of the nose, you try a blush. So I want to try that right now. And I'm going in with the e.l.f. Blush palette, and I'm gonna in these two upper shades right here. And I'm using a pencil brush and using the blush on my Cupid's bow. That's actually nice. Okay, so I'm just in a cranky mood right now because the lighting is just flickering and it's so annoying. Anyway, I loved this technique. Look at that. I love that idea. Kaya, you're doing things. And Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. This is my favorite. Can you see this? Oh my god, this is really nice actually. I'm not gonna highlight this spot, just a little bit maybe. Now for lips, I'm gonna just line my line. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do the same technique I did last video, but I'm just gonna line my lips a little bit and just use gloss on top. Okay, I'm lining my lips with the Essence Long Lasting Liner, and this is in the shade Wiped Off, so I'm sorry. And on top, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope I did her justice. Please go on to her account and tell her I said hi, and I hope she looks at this look, and I hope I did her justice. Anyway, happy Valentine's Day, guys. If you are ouch, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you will have an amazing Valentine's Day, and remember that Valentine's Day does not mean you have to be with a boyfriend or a fiance or a girlfriend or a fiance too, or just like a husband or a wife. Valentine's Day is about love, and love is for everyone. Family and friends are much more important than anything else. If you have that, then just be thankful. And yeah, there's a lot of good things in the world. Enjoy that while it lasts. Be kind to one another, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell button so anytime I upload, you will get a notification. Thank you guys so much. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.